All right, today we're going to be looking at a $50 welding cart from Harbor Freight, Chicago Electric. Per usual, it's wrapped in an excessive amount of packing tape. Looks like it's been dropped off of horse-drawn carriage 3 or 4 times and has loads of foam sheeting on the inside, which is great because, as you can see, it's in shockingly good condition considering. Only a few blemishes on the powder coating, which I don't really care. I'm going to destroy this thing in my shop over time anyways. Following the instructions, I put the wheels on first. Personally, I would do that anyways because I'm lazy and like to roll things rather than push or pull them. Tools needed: impact or a screwdriver, as well as a socket set. Following the instructions, which are really clear and concise, really have no complaints on that, other than the fact that I'm a visual guy and visual learner for sure. And after page 2, the visuals disappear into maintenance and an item list and just go to verbiage, which was frustrating at first, but I mean, for a 15-part, build, I should be able to conquer this considering my career choices. Little tip here: when you're doing this, keep all of your screws a little loose until the very end so that you can manipulate these pieces. Every screw hole has a little bit of play in it. That is for a reason. Here's the finished product. It came together really well, and it came together in about 15 minutes, and it came together for around 50 bucks with 3 tools. It does everything it needs to. It's not flashy. It's not super fantastic or technologically advanced, but it's great. Mobility, B+. Rigidity, C+ to B-, depending on the day and how you move it. Cost, A+. Aesthetics, yeah, looks great. I think that it's really important to get value out of the purchases for your shop, and it's really easy for me to get caught up in buying the nicest, fanciest thing. Certain things I will not compromise with, and I will do that. Dust extraction. I will always spend money on good dust extraction. But a welding cart, because I don't weld all the time, I'm okay with making some sacrifices. And this Chicago Electric Harbor Freight does the job for 50 bucks. It assembles in 15 minutes. You only need 2 tools to do it. And it's going to keep your shop on budget, which is absolutely fantastic. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below. If you like what you're seeing, consider subscribing to the channel and definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps us out. We're trying to really dial this in, everything from lighting to audio, so the experience is more enjoyable for you. We hope you guys are learning something from this channel. We're actually learning a lot as we go too. It's been a really fun process, so thanks for checking it out. All in Chicago Electric $50 welding cart. See you guys.